Hello my friends, my name is Fabio and today I will teach you how to play the song Renew My Life. Before we continue, I would like to ask you to click the like button and also to subscribe the channel and also to share this video to other people who you know would like to learn this song and other songs similar to this one. Okay? This way will help me to keep producing this kind of content for you on this channel. So first of all, you have to set the tuning of your acoustic guitar to the standard E tuning. I will leave a link on the description down below for you to set the tuning of your acoustic guitar, okay? The chords that you will play in order to perform the song, I'll leave it on the screen for you to see right now. So first of all, we will play together the entire song, and at the end of the video I will explain with more details how to play this song.
Renew my life, Lord Jesus. Never want to be the same. Renew my life, Lord Jesus. Place your heart inside of me. In my life and thoughts there are so many things. Need the change that only your love can bring. And I need to be transformed into your likeness, Lord. Change is heart inside of me. Renew my life, Lord Jesus. Never want to be the same. Renew my life, Lord Jesus. Place your heart inside of me. In my life and thoughts that are so many things. In need the change that only your love can bring. And I need to be transformed into your likeness, Lord. Place your heart inside of me. Place your heart inside of me. Place your heart inside of me.
So my friends, the chords that you play in order to perform the song are these ones. The strumming pattern that you play using your right hand is this one. Basically, it's the same rhythm that you play during the entire song, okay? Now I will play it again, but this time I will ghost note the chords. This way you will be able to hear clearly how to play this rhythm, okay? So my friends, I believe that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. If yes, remember to click in the like button, to share this video to other people who would like to learn the song, and also to subscribe to the channel. This will help me to keep producing this kind of acoustic guitar lessons and also playbacks, karaoke's that I like to record as well. Okay? So thank you very much, and I see you on the next video.